Hello student, our today's topic is preparation of ethers. We know that ethers are the alkoxy derivatives of alkane. That means hydrogen from the alkane is replaced by OR group or alkoxy group. In ethers, two alkyl groups are present. When the two alkyl groups are same, then ethers are called symmetrical or simple ethers. And when the alkyl groups are different, then ethers are called mixed or unsymmetrical ethers. Ethers can be prepared by many methods, but two methods are included in our syllabus, that is by Williamson synthesis and by dehydration of alcohols. Students, see here the first method by Williamson synthesis. Here we used sodium alkoxide. The sodium alkoxide is obtained when we add sodium metal into alcohol. Then sodium alkoxides are obtained. Methyl iodide, we get ethyl methyl ether. Students, one thing is noted here that the method involves nucleophilic substitution of halogen atom. Nucleophilic substitution of halogen atom. And another thing is primary alkyl halides are more reactive than secondary alkyl halides. Secondary alkyl halides are more reactive than tertiary alkyl halides. Students, one thing is also noted here that tertiary butyl ether is prepared. If we prepare tertiary butyl ether by Williamson synthesis, then tertiary butyl bromide and sodium tertiary butoxide should be used. Since tertiary bromide is tertiary alkyl halide, it undergoes elimination rather than the substitution. Hence, ditertiary butyl ether cannot be prepared by Williamson synthesis. Students, next method is by dehydration of alcohols. Students, here 413 Kelvin temperature is used. Here we use sulfuric acid and alcohol. In first step, alkyl hydrogen sulfate is obtained. This alkyl hydrogen sulfate is treated again with another alcohol molecule, or in 413 Kelvin we get ethers. See here, preparation of diethyl ether. We used ethyl alcohol and sulfuric acid. At 413 Kelvin we get ethyl hydrogen sulfate. When this ethyl hydrogen sulfate is again added with ethyl alcohol at 413 Kelvin, we get diethyl ether. In this way, by dehydration of alcohol, we get ethers. Here also one thing is noted: primary alcohol undergoes the above reaction easily. Students, primary alcohols undergoes the above reaction easily, producing secondary and tertiary, producing ethers. But secondary and tertiary alcohols under this condition forms alkene as a major products. This thing is noted here. In this way, students, we can prepare ethers by two methods by Williamson synthesis. In Williamson synthesis, we use sodium alkoxide, and in dehydration of alcohol, we add sulfuric acid at 413 Kelvin into alcohols. In this way, we can prepare the two alcohols alcohols by two methods. I hope you understand the topic